how to create a thin line design like this in Photoshop using gradients and selections. Go to the Tools panel and select the Single Row Marquee tool if you want it horizontally, or select the column one if you want it vertically. Then go up here along the control bar and you can select this one, Add. Simply click, and then every time you click you will see a selection, marching ants. You can repeat this multiple times. Once you've done that, go to the gradient tool, select that, select a gradient, linear or radial, and simply apply. Hold the shift down to create it in a line. Then go to select and deselect, and now you can see you've got your lines, you've got greens, you've got reds, and you've got blues all the way through there. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know. Also, please subscribe. Also, check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Many videos to come. Bye.